Is it necessary to become a perfect person? I don't think so. Leave me your opinion below the comment. Sincerely speaking, there is nothing perfect on the earth. That's why never want to learn spoken English perfectly because you won't be able to learn spoken English 100% correctly. At this moment, I'm used to speaking English every day, but I may make pronunciation mistake. I may make grammatical mistake. Even I could use advanced vocabulary. That's why, as an English learner, I wanna suggest you, you don't need to be a perfect fluent speaker. You just need to fluent English speaker because this is a language and you don't need to learn a language 100% perfectly because nobody can do that.